Welcome to the video lecture. So today let's move on to the next topic in the Python programming, loops concept in Python. We are going to see about for and while loop concept in this lecture. So loops are one of the most powerful tools in programming and they help us for repeating the task without writing any repetitive code. A for loop can be used when you know how many times you want to repeat something. For example, consider this code. For I in range of 5, I am going to print the value of I. So it will print the output like this. So the range of 5 creates a sequence from 0 to 4 and I takes each value one by one. And the next one is while loop. You can use a while loop if you want to repeat until a condition is no longer true. So consider this code. I am initializing a variable count and while I am giving a condition, and if the condition is true it will print count, value of count, and I am incrementing the value of the variable every time while repeating the loop. So the initial value is less than 5, so it will print 1 and then it will repeat the loop until it satisfies the condition. So it will give you the output like this. It will print 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So based on the concept of loop, we are going to build two mini projects in this lecture. First one is multiplication table generator. It lets the users to generate multiplication table of any number. And the second one is pattern printer. It will be act as a great intro to nested logic and string multiplication. So let us move on to the coding part. First, we are going to build multiplication table generator. So I am getting a value by converting it into integer. And then for I in range of 1 to 11, I'm going to print the number into I value is equal to, I'm going to multiply that particular number with the value of I. So for every time in the range between 1 to 11, so it will take the value from 1 to 10. It will print that particular number, given number, into value of I is equal to what is the value, multiplied value. So I am just giving 5, so it will give you the multiplication of 5. So this is a multiplication table generator. And the next one is pattern printer. So the next one we are going to develop pattern printer. So which is nothing but a star case of stars. So I'm going to get the number of rows. So I'm initializing the number of rows as 5 and for I in range of 1 to rows plus 1. I'm going to print star into I. So every time it will multiply the value of I with star and print the number of stars. Yes, this is the result of this coding. So we have created a multiplication table and then a pattern printer in this video. Yes, that's all about today's video lecture. Thank you for watching the video.